Welcome to Glendale Farmhouse, the perfect property for anyone looking for that ultimate utopian dream move into the countryside, offering 360 rolling fields and hills surrounding the property. This former farmhouse now offers 5 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 acres of land and working from home opportunities as well. So come on, let's take a look. So the main house boasts over 3,000 square foot of accommodation, and I'm standing in one of the main reception rooms. This is the dining area, and it features fantastic flagstone flooring. It's also got a roaring wood-burning stove for those cosy warm nights in, and also 3 windows providing ample light. All the rooms in this house are really generously sized and offer incredible accommodation throughout. Adjacent to the main farmhouse, which is positioned here, is Glendale Cottage. Now this is a 3-bedroom additional property that is currently utilised for holiday letting purposes. It could also be used for housing guests, but also maybe even for multi-generational living. This property also offers multiple working from home possibilities. Indeed, you could even move your whole business here. The barn converted here, which we're standing in, is over 70 foot in length and is interconnected by 4 individual spaces, including a kitchen area at the back and toilet. So if you're looking for a piece of paradise here in North Devon with views like this behind me, give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Look forward to your call.